Chief Minister Nongthomban Biren has informed that police personnel in the state will be provided with full equipment for tackling mob violence, as government has decided to procure necessary equipment for this task soon. Chief Minister N. Biren said this on the sideline of an inspection visit to under construction firing range at Kundrakpam constituencies Wairi today. The Chief Minister was accompanied by Youth Affairs and Sports Minister Govindas Kontaucham, CAF and PD Minister Laishangthim Susindro and top officials of Manipur Police. Speaking further, Chief Minister said government has decided to procure the equipment in order to tackle the ever-rising cases of mob violence in the state. While speaking about the newly recruited 10th and 11th IRP personnel, Chief Minister N. Biren said some of the newly trained IRP personnel will be deployed at the firing range, which is under construction, while the rest will be posted at various police stations. The Chief Minister warns against lobbying for posting of 10th and 11th IRP training completed personnel in peaceful areas. Chief Minister N. Biren also maintained that the government is making all efforts to relocate internally displaced persons at prefabricated houses.
10 and 11 IRBC. Police stations in the posting piba Hydopadu Toguni, requirement Matuina. In general, I could get a Shima Motodi, Hosiki Moishi, highway protection you in a Kojayamba, Togibani. Moishi. Posting si macet pi kerja with spirit and discipline. Adagi la iba post moi da atai mayam hanagi la iba si moi pati happen te. Loi na mix up to kan da moi da soirak kadra. Hai wakal kare koi da iba degi si si koi na kodak ta moi la iba nang na basem ko nan bani. Masida koi na uji plan ta urisi la iba 1946 to gimanung da 1000 mukti special commandos gi ha mari gumba magi training. Pangana sida pisa laga madugi special any eventuality the mid of 1000 Gumama Kanto Tamani, Atai, police station sing, there was usually lady, but personnel sing, Moisho Mok, Amohan, Moisit Harmony, refresher, course Gumba, Tahonoma Tokai, Masal Lumba, medical checkup to Masaki Laina, Leva, Kotoka, Banava, the Mayama Cozy only. Other kind of police, backbone of the society, backbone of the state. Government sigi police na demoralize or matam da law ina koi defunct ho aduna policing sigi morals busap tok da buya da ba Manipur mob justice am kan sakhan rai aduna mob control to buje han di sam na uniform am sela ga sam na sayam pa ga li empire ga toram mani huji mo to hol full equipped ira kanda masak khang dana ba treason to dana ba nang masak khang ko hore na yum mai thani na hai bu da khang dana ba helmet ka loina upal laga full loina to hon mata re lai ri ba situation ni ma to na ko min to no bon na pai ta